Yebo. Alright. Injalo ayijike uma isinje. Yo. Oh yebo ngiyazwa. Yawo. Yazi kulula kanjani ukubamba umuntu ukuthi umsamo kanawo. Listen, they tell you. Listen, they tell you. Abazi bakutshela kodwa bayakutshela. Listen. All right? So, if you listen to umuntu xoxa ngani, idlozi, hayi idlozi, ngiyakutshela wena, hayi idlozi, hayi idlozi, idlozi wena, yo. Let us dissect idlozi. An energy coming from somewhere, coming to the physical, needing to be healed in order for it to reflect and communicate messages with the living. Key words la. An energy needing to be healed, aligned, fixed. Okusho ukuthi sikhuluma ngomoya osuka la usuka khona ebese uzofika uzosingatha ingane. Uma usingatha ingane ebese leyo ngane kumele idlule kwingwijikhwebu yokugula, kwingwijikhwebu yokuzithola ukuthi kunento angayazi ekhona kuyena. Ebese kudlula kwisigaba sokuthi yenze njani? Ilungiswe lento okanye yelashwe. Then listen, they tell you. Umnikazi wesikhwama, cha phela umnikazi wesikhwama wena, wadlula nento asekanje, bese nawe bele ngiyomgezela lezi ikhwama, bese uba njani, Listen, they tell you. They don't realize they are talking. Because if they don't talk, that means they don't have it. Listen. Then, we talk about the opposite. Matongo. Matongo, where it is an energy coming from a very peaceful place. A place of relaxation, a place of peace, a place where there is no troubles. An energy that has to go through a specific gatekeeper called Mlawuli. Now we're talking. A specific gatekeeper that ensures ukuthi things are done correctly. Bese masikhuluma ngamathongo, sikhulume ngomoya owabantu abalala ubuthongo. Mabalala ubuthongo, bahambe emhlabeni sekuyisikhathi sabo. Hambe isikhathi emhlabeni eseliqedile udaba lakhe. Mayihamba emhlabeni, mayefika ngale adlule kumlawuli. Ebese ayamukelwa. Yebo, mayisekhona ngale akeliwe lapha ya. Kuphi? kuphi kwelamathongo amukelwe ebese ayanikwa ke okubhekene naye isabelo sakhe usuke ebhekene nobani nomlawuli khulunywe nani nabanikazi bekhaya abanikazi bomsebenzi wakhe then lo moya awulungiswa wenze njani uyawamukela isihlalo sobukhosi awusiphiwa awusithatha awusiphakamisi wenze njani uyasamkela yey that's how easy it is to tell cabanga that's how easy it is to tell ukuthi zishaphi ngomuntu so easy it's not even funny hayi uzokuba nakho ubone mina ngigqoke le jazi namhlanje nawe usuligqoka bese usucabanga ukuthi sekuthiwa usunjengami ayikho leyo nto mina nawe sifana asoze safana wena thola into yakini awungazi ngobani awungazi ngihamba ngifikephi nami angifuni ukwazi kodwa idlozi lakho okanye abakini lapha kuphi le moya iphumaphi le moya mathongo ngala idlozi ngala phumaphi le moya iphuma emsamo wakho that is why uma sekufike kwisikhathi isigaba sokwamukela suwamkelile okanye wena olungiselwayo usulungiseliwe ebese wenze njani now we're talking about imvuma mase siqothe lapho bese sikhuluma ngezivivinyo masikhuluma qeda ukukhuluma ngezivivinyo bese sikhuluma ngani ngokuthwasiswa masiqeda lapho sikhuluma ngani ngokwenza bese siqeda ukwenza bese siye lapha kancane danko